we're going to be looking at conservation of energy. The principle of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed, you can only change it from one form to another. So that means the total energy of a system is constant. The total energy you put into a system is equal to the total energy you put out of the system. You cannot have more output energy because that means you've created energy from nothing, and you cannot have less output energy because that means you've destroyed energy, and that violates the principle of conservation of energy. And here are the different forms of energy, where kinetic energy is the energy associated with motion, that is velocity. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored by an object due to its position, that is height, in a gravitational field. Elastic potential energy is the energy stored in stretched or compressed objects, so for example springs. Chemical energy is the energy that is stored within the chemical bonds between atoms, and this energy can be released when the chemical bonds are broken, for example by burning fuels. Sound energy is due to vibrating objects. Electrical energy is associated with electric charge. Heat energy is transferred when there's a temperature difference. And light energy is radiated from hot, glowing objects. When energy is transformed, converted, transferred, then the total input energy must equal the total output energy. And the output energy can be useful, but it can also be wasted. And so we can say the input energy must equal the useful output energy plus the wasted energy. So if we consider the energy transformation for a car, then the input energy will be the chemical energy from the fuel. The useful output energy will be the kinetic energy, but some energy will be wasted in the form of heat. If all the useful output energy is equal to the input energy, then we say that the transformation is 100% efficient, as there's no wasted energy. However, in reality, efficiency is always less than 100%, and that's because energy is usually wasted in the form of heat. And for mechanical devices, this heat is generated due to frictional forces. And to determine the efficiency of a device that is converting energy is equal to the useful output energy divided by the input energy and multiplied by 100 to get it as a percentage. So if we have an input energy of 60 joules and a useful output energy of 40 joules, then that means 20 joules has been wasted, and the efficiency will be the 40 joules divided by the 60 joules multiplied by 100 will equal 67%.